everyone, and welcome back to Joys It Flies. If you're new here, my name's Cassidy and I deal with the sewing side of this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a rolled hem. This is probably the neatest hem you can do, and it's perfect if you're using more delicate fabrics. So let's get into the tutorial. Take the fabric that you want to hem over to your ironing board, and along your hemline, iron a hem of 1/2 inch. And you're going to want to sew this hem closed, getting as close as possible to the edge of your fabric. So you're going to want to sew approximately 1/8 of an inch from the edge. And you can set your sewing machine to your longest stitch length because we're just going to be basting this hem closed. Once you've sewn it, you're going to want to trim down the excess fabric on your hem, getting as close as possible to your stitches. Then take your fabric back to your ironing board and you're going to want to refold your hem, and this time it should be a lot easier to get a really small tiny hem of approximately 1/8 of an inch. So just fold your hem and iron it flat. Then you can sew this hem closed, and I like to use the stitches from the first hem to guide me this second time. And that is it, you're all done. You've just sewn a rolled hem. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time on the channel.